Welcome back to Homework Help with Miss Gore. Today we're going to be talking about Unit 7, Day 3, writing recursive definitions for geometric sequences. So in question 1, we have that a sub 1 equals 1 and a sub n equals 3 times the previous term. So if I want to find a sub 2, I'm going to take 3 and plug in my previous term. So a sub 2 is now 3. For a sub 3, I've got 3, and then I'm going to multiply by 3, which was my a sub 2, my previous value. So my a sub 3 value is 9. A sub 4, again, 3. Now I'm going to bring this value down times 9. So my a sub 4 is 27. My a sub 5, 3 times my previous term, 27. And 3 times 27, a sub 5 is going to give me 81. So all together, my first 5 terms are 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Those are the first 5 terms of my sequence. Moving down to question 4. I want to write the recursive definition of the sequence in both subscript and function notation. So when I am writing my recursive sequence, the first thing I need to note is what my first term is. So my a sub 1 is 4, or my f of 1 is 4. So for my a sub 1, now I need to figure out my pattern. So how do I get to the next term, to the next term, to the next term, to the next term? My common ratio here, my pattern, is that I'm multiplying by -3. So my a sub n value then is going to say that I'm going to take -3 and multiply it by my previous term. In function notation, f of n equals -3 times my previous term. Now, number 6 is using the data from number 4, and I want to write the explicit formula, which is a review from last class. So using my explicit formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. So my a sub n value, my a sub 1 we said was 4. My r value was -3 raised to the n minus 1 power. Moving on to the back, I'm going to get you started on question 8, but I'm not going to finish it for you. You're going to have to finish this one on your own. So I have a function f of x, and I'm going to make a new function g of x. This is going to be a brand new function. And g of x has a new definition that it's f of x minus 5. So if I have f of x minus 5, I'm going to plug that into my f function, so -2, substituting in for my x value, plus 3. So f of x minus 5, I'm going to distribute my -2. I'm going to then combine my like terms. So my new function g of x is really -2x plus 13. So since this is now g of x, please fill in your function values. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.